Are you betting on the wrong horse? Many businesses are. They pour time and money into organic social media, thinking it's the way to go. We surveyed hundreds of businesses across different industries and found that while organic social media is popular, it's actually delivering the worst ROI. According to HubSpot's State of Marketing report, these are the most effective marketing channels for 2024. Search ads at 25%, SEO at 16%, email marketing at 14%, content marketing at 14%, and paid social at 14%. Are you on the right path? If not, your marketing strategy could be heading down a dead-end road. At Celestial, we help businesses like yours find the right channels and tactics to connect with your target audience for maximum returns. Don't let your marketing efforts go to waste. Contact us today, and let's turn your strategy around. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.